Okay, I'm going to color code this perfectly with you. Please understand, I got a negative 2/5. They're working the distributive property here. That means this 2/5 doesn't get reduced and eliminated. I have to use it 3 times. I'm going to draw an arrow in black, an arrow in blue, and an arrow in red. Now, here's what I want you to see. You should know reducing fractions. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So when I do negative 2 times 3, who wants to raise their hand and tell me what's negative 2 times 3? Riley.
Negative 6.
Riley. Well, I got 2 Rileys? No. Negative 6, thank you. Now, blue. I go 5 divided by 5 is 120. Negative 20 divided by 5 gives me a negative 4 here. I'm kind of getting rid of that sign right there. Negative 4. So, but be careful. Negative 2 times negative 4, 2 negatives. Wants to raise their hand and tell me when I'm multiplying. 2 negatives are? Positive. And then don't forget your D, plus 8D. And last but not least, I'm color coding. I kind of screwed it up last hour. I color coded on the board. But when you record, it only shows this. So it was like, not right. But that's okay. You live and learn. My 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Here's the mistake the people are going to make here. They're going to think the answer is 1. Negative 2 times a positive 1 is a minus 2c. Now, we've done an awesome job with this. If I was to ask you guys, don't let me down now, which one do I put up front first? I got 3 components to this. I got a negative 6, I got a positive 8d, and I got a negative 2c. I'm a geek. Which one do I like up first, Alex?
Negative 2c.
Close. I like that. Officially, I like that better than the negative 6. Now, I'm kind of odd. Sorry. Yeah.
It'd be positive 8d.
I like the largest coefficient first. I'd put the plus 8d, minus 2c, minus 6. Now, I got to look over here and color in just the ones that work. Who can raise their hand and tell me which one works?
Second one.
Oh, they're identical. Color in the second one. And if I chunk this apart and I move them around like a... Put a box.
Oh, I know which one.
Put a box. And they play switcheroo. Which one also works?
The third one.
Huh? Third one.
Third and fourth.
Whoa. The third one is a minus 2c plus 8d minus 6. Correct. Minus 2c plus 8d minus 6. Correct. I double checked it. This is a plus 6. Doesn't work.
Yeah, I know what can't you just
No. No.
Oh,
Only if I multiplied every single thing. Now, here's the one thing, because I only got like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to be shutting things down for just a smidgey. This intrigued me when I looked at it this morning. Because I looked and said, dude, multiply this by 5, negative 30. Multiply this by 5, positive 40. Multiply this by 5, negative 10c. That quantity right here is good. But it's lacking an equals an answer. So, when you do math and algebra, you put an equal sign in an answer. It's a teeter-totter, whatever I do. On the left side, I do on the right side, they're equal. For example, if I take my recipe for chocolate chip cookies, I multiply every ingredient by 5. At the end, I end up with 5 times more chocolate cookies than I'm supposed to have. This doesn't have an answer, so it doesn't let me quantify that yet by multiplying it by 5. I thought this was intriguing. I almost picked that as an answer. But then I thought, why doesn't it work yet? Because there's no answer to multiply it by 5.